Okay, here it goes. My prime roast. My prime eye roast that I'm gonna bake in the oven. And I'm gonna bake it for 47 minutes on a 400 oven without opening it. But it's been resting here for quite some time, so I'm gonna let it rest for an hour or two or more. So it's gonna be like 3 hours, and I rubbed it with some thick salt. I use sea salt. And here I have the mixture. It's butter, pepper, salt, thyme, and I used also the Canadian steak, the Montreal steak seasoning. I put a little bit in there. And so I'm gonna bake it. I cut that fat and I cut the bone from it. I separated the bone so I don't have trouble later on. And so the fat, I'm gonna put some fat over here where it doesn't have fat. See that? But anyway, it goes in a 400 oven. And I'm following Chef John because I never go wrong with making this roast. You can never ever go wrong with it. So you multiply 5 minutes for each pound of your roast. And then you bake it at 500 oven. And you don't open the door for those 29 minutes. 29:45. And then you leave it in the oven with the oven closed for 2 hours. For 2 hours without opening or peeking or anything. And I'll show you the finished job. Okay, thanks for watching.